This is a speed drawing of Peter Parker and I'm showing you the whole process right here, but if you watch to the end, I will tell you exactly how to get the full tutorial. Also, yeah, this is my new channel. The old one got shadow banned after I illegally got monetized. Long story, but anyways, hit that subscribe button because trust me, you are not ready for what's coming next. Alright, this is it. Thanks for actually watching till the end. It shows you are here for the full journey. By the way, the full tutorial will be linked in the description. Now, here is what I need you to do. Smash the like button too. And if you feel like commenting, then comment anything and I will see you in the next one.